In this video, we are going to learn whether the given year is a leap year or not. So before that, I want to clear the logic of leap year. Suppose if the year is divisible by 4 and leaves remainder 0, then it is a leap year. It is not to be divisible by 100. So again this same year, if it is not divisible by 100, then in this condition this is a leap year. Also, if the number is divisible by 100 and also divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So don't get confused. Suppose if the number is not divisible by 100 and divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Again, if the number is divisible by 100 and divisible by 400, then leaves a remainder 0, it is a leap year. Otherwise, all other conditions are non-leap years. So otherwise it is a not leap year, means non-leap year. So I think you have get an idea on leap year logic. Here I am using if else statement. In that I am writing condition using logical operators. So I will show you this. To write leap year I am using this logical operators also. So in my previous video I explained using this relation operator. So if you not watch the video, I will place in iCards and I will put the link in the description. So go and watch that video. So in logical operators, this is known as AND. In generally also we use AND symbol as this symbol ampersand. So for a shortcut way of AND we are using this symbol, this AND, and this is a symbol for OR. So this is doubles lines is indication for OR. This is comes under logical operators. So we are going to write program using this and OR operator. Here I am declaring a variable like year and I am advising a user to enter the year and I am scanning that into the year variable. So I am using %d ampersand year. Now here I am using if statement and else statement to write the logic. In if statement I am assigning a condition like if the year is divisible by 4, if it is leaves a remainder 0, then it is a leap year. When again it is not divisible by 100. The AND symbol is we need to use this type of operators. So this is a logical operator instead of this AND. So if the year is divisible by 4, leaves remainder 0, and again the same year is not divisible by 100, it is a first condition for leap year not equals to 0, then it is the first condition of the leap year. Then what is the second condition for leap year? If the number is divisible by 400, if the year is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. If the number is divisible by 400, also going to divisible by 100 also, because 100 into 4 times is a 400. So if we don't write of 100 condition also, it going to execute. If you use this type of and these two conditions, both these two conditions should be satisfied in order to true this if condition. Again, we should write logic on this also. It will be later. Suppose I am giving here printf the given year is leap year. You can check here, I am using only single line of code, so we not to include the open and close braces here. Program. Suppose I am giving a year like 2004. Then you can check here, the given year is a leap year. So I want to mention here like a. So if you run the program, suppose I am giving year of 2023, then you can check the answer. So we can check here, the given year is a non-leap year. So you have know that the 2023 year is a non-leap year. So it is executing fine. Again, you need to mention second condition of the leap year. Here I am using OR condition because this OR tells the if condition that either this bunch of condition is true, then it is satisfied to execute the line, or if other side of this OR is true, then also if condition will be true, but not in the similar case of this AND. The both the conditions should be true, but or either of one condition should be true. So here I am writing another condition like if the year is divisible by 400, then it is leaves remainder 0, then the year is a leap year. So you can check the logic. The logic is completed in this line of code. So if the year is divisible by so if the year is divisible by 4, and if the same year not should divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. If the year is divisible by 100, also should be divisible by 400. So it is a condition of leap year. So when this is satisfied, then the line of code will be going to execute. Otherwise, it's moved to the else part. Then this line of code will going to execute. So here I am not using any curly braces. So here we need to execute only single line of code. So we not need any that type of brackets. So if I run the program, you can check here. Oh sorry, you need to use here double equal because it is a condition now. So you need to use double equal. So this is an relation operator. If you not use this, you can see here this is the compiler thrown an error at the output side. So you need to use double equal. Then if you run the program, suppose I am entering here 2000, then you can check the year is a leap year. Suppose I am giving a year like 1800, then you can see the given year is a non-leap year because it is divisible by 100, not dividing by 400, so it is a non-leap year. So I want to clear this 1800 is a leap year or not using the Google search. See here I am entering in the Google search, is 1800 a leap year or not. So when I open this answer, then you can check out here. For example, the century years 1600 and 200 are leap years, but the century years 1700 and 1800 are not. So it's clearly saying that 1800 is not a leap year.